Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up pre-orders on Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. All right, so first up, we would need to install a pre-order app, okay? Because Shopify lacks a built-in pre-order button. So you need an app to swap the Add to Cart button with a pre-order button. Okay, so to go ahead and install an app, in the left panel or the bottom left, click on Apps. Now click on All Recommended Apps. Now click on Shopify App Store. Now you can go ahead and choose to use Pre-order Gorilla, Purple Dot, and even Pre-order Alpha, as those are the popular options for pre-orders. So let's just go ahead and try the most popular one right here, which is Notify or Notify Me. Click on it, click on Install, wait for a new page to load, and then just basically click on Install. Wait for the process to finish. As you can see at the bottom left, under Apps, we now have Notify Me, and all of your apps will be listed in here. So I've read, continue. Make sure that pre-order is selected. You can add in wish list as well in low stocks. It says here, pre-order enhanced sales with pre-order widget, allowing merchants to boost revenue through pre-sales. So let's just go ahead and hit on continue right here and activate the app embed as well. So you can go ahead and add it into your Shopify store or website. So here we have it. Here we have Notify Me or the pre-order. So go ahead and click on Manage Apps. So you can go ahead and customize or configure the application itself. As it states here, you would need to go ahead and click on Save while it's enabled. So save, done. Let's go back here. And of course, pre-orders applications will be paid. So you can go ahead and subscribe here or scroll all the way down and try the free plan. Okay. Now, all you got to do is set up a backup stock or straight up set up pre-orders right here. Now for pre-orders, it will be active. Now you can go to scroll down and create an offer right here. Select the variants, click on edit. So for example, just this one right here, I'm going to click on select and just make sure that the products are not currently active to active offers. So for example, under products right here, I have it bundled. Okay. I currently sell this one as a bundle. So just make sure that you select a product that doesn't got any offer yet. So select the product, select the active date, availability right here, available soon, available specific date, markets, all markets, specific markets, pre-order logics for DTC, full payment, discount, apply discount if you want to, and some other options. Now, once that's done, click on add limit and do not forget to enter an offer name and then click on save. And that is how you set up pre-orders on Shopify. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.